Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Truck looks a little bit different. We got it set up. We're going to haul the first load of logs. So my dad's coming along with me. He's gonna jump in the truck. We're gonna go haul a load of pine logs here just a couple minutes away. We just put the log bunks and the stakes on the truck, and well, probably shouldn't show you this, but I made a huge oopsie. I'm so used to driving back and forth underneath that wire, I didn't realize that these stakes are quite a bit taller than knuckle boom. Stupid, really stupid. So we're going to use the knuckle boom. I don't have the grapple set up. I have a nice grapple for it sitting right there in the weeds, but I don't have the knuckle boom plumbed for the grapple yet. So we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. So you're just going to have to stick around and watch how we do this. It's something I swore I was never going to do again, but well, I want to get these logs hauled. Let's hit the road. Well, we made it. Yeah, you may notice I don't have decals on the truck anymore. I thought the ones I put on were too small, so I'm putting bigger ones on. Figured if I'm doing it, I might as well do it right. That's what we're after. We're gonna get unfolded here. I'm gonna pull out the log tongs and I'll show you what that's all about. It's a heavy block one-handed. I'm not smooth yet with this crane is an understatement. This is only about the third time I've run it. I'm working the bugs out though. I'm starting to kind of get the feel for it. So what we're using is an old-fashioned pair of log tongs. I used to use these years ago with my other truck, and then I decided it was way too dangerous and it was a real inconvenience. So then I switched to the grapple, which I'm going to do with this truck. But I'm just not there yet. So I'm going back to the log tongs. This will be way safer than the way I used to do it because this crane has remote control, so nobody has to get near anything. So I'm going to switch over to remote. My dad's going to be on the ground hooking them. I'll be on the truck unhooking them. just like that, we're done and folded up. Or folding up, I should say. Starting to get the feel for this thing. It's a pretty slick setup, I have to admit. Well, I don't know, that might have taken us about an hour or so, shaking off beginners' nerves or whatever you want to call it, till we got the hang of it, but worked out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I'll be happy when the grapple's on there, but it's a nice load of pine logs. These actually aren't mine, I'm custom sawing them for the customer, but it's a good way to break in the truck, get some logs on, and now I get to get them back to the mill and cut them up. I guess that'll be the end for this one. Just a quick impromptu video. I figured I couldn't haul the first load of logs without recording it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.